So this year we just started getting some Carpenter ants, and I asked around online, and pretty much this is the one that everyone recommended getting, the Cutter Backyard Bug Control. It's something that you hook up to your hose here, and it'll spray, and it'll cover quite a bit of lawn, 5,000 square feet of lawn. I don't have that much, so this is going to last us for a while. It says it'll last all summer. It'll last 12 weeks. So this is a new kind of infestation, a new thing for us, a new thing. So we're going to be trying this out and looking forward to it. I'm glad that it comes with a dispenser right away, so I don't have to have anything special. And I can just unscrew this, from what I understand, just unscrew this from the water source and store it in the shed until if I need it again. So this is our attempt to get rid of some carpenter ants. Hope this helps.